1, 2, here I go. Big step, jump and hold it. Oh, hello there. Hi, children. How are you today? Space Commander Grand's ready to help. So, are you guys ready for your next mission? I hear the Cookie Mobster has been in a terrible mood lately, and he is not happy about all the ingredients we stole from the planets the other day. Ooh. But I'm here to prepare you for your next mission. We have 3 more ingredients to gather. Count them. 1, 2, 3. Are you guys ready? So today, on our mission, we are going to go to Saturn's onion ring. You ever been there? I know, exciting. So today I might use a walk symbol to command you to go across Saturn's ring. We might take some big steps, or maybe we might jump and hold it, but we might even have to do some running. You just don't know on these types of planets and terrain. You won't know until you get there. But I do know that this is going to be a long mission. So I'd like to introduce to you today 2 new symbols that I'm going to introduce that when you just need to take a rest, okay? So the first one is called a nap, and it looks a little bit like this. Here we have the nap, which takes the same amount of time as one walk. So I drew another diagram to help us out. Here we see 4 walks, walk, 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 equals the same exact thing as nap, 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 nap. The main difference is that the walks make a sound, while when we rest, we don't make any sounds. So if I was to play it like this, 1, 2, here I go, walk, 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 rest, 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 walk, 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 nap, 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 nap. So you can use the word nap or rest, whichever one makes you feel better. So those are for when we want to take shorter rests. Now, if I want to take a little bit longer of a rest, we have this called a whole rest. So this one takes the same amount of time as a whole note, but the main difference is this one makes a sound and this one does not, but they take the same amount of time. So for the whole note, I would go jump and hold it, rest a while. Jump and hold it, rest a while. Okay? So each get 4 beats, but this one makes a sound and this one does not. Okay, now we are ready to go on our notation story adventure. Hello, dearies. So here's your map for Saturn's onion ring. The first place we have to go to is the chocolate chip meadow. But be careful, there are some raisins sprinkled in by the Cookie Mobster, so we have to watch out for those. Then we're going to have to go to the Babbling Butter Brook, which tends to be very sticky. Then we will go to the magical hen house to grab some eggs. These are the 3 ingredients that we're going to need to build our cookie craft. Are you guys ready? Okay, go ahead and pause the video right now so that you can create your map at home. Oh, good, you're back. So, you have just landed right outside the chocolate chip meadow. So you've reached the chocolate chip meadow, and we're going to have to take some walks and some big steps so that we can take, so we watch out for those raisins. So here's what it's going to look like. So we do walk, walk, big step. And we're gonna do that one more time until we make it all the way through the field. Okay, so are you guys ready at home? Good. So I'm going to play it first, and then you guys are going to play it after me so that I know that you heard my command. Are you ready? Okay, now my command is ready. 1, 2, here I go. Walk, walk, big step. Walk, walk, big step. Okay, now you try it. I'll play along with you. 1, 2, here we go. Walk, walk, big step. Walk, walk, big step. Good job, guys. You've made it through the meadow and you're ready to cross the Babbling Brook. So, here's the thing about the Babbling Brook. It's very, very sticky, and we also have to watch out for those butter beavers. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take 2 big steps, and then we're going to jump and hold it so that we skip over the butter beaver and we don't destroy his home. Okay, we haven't quite made it across yet, so we're going to do 2 more big steps. Okay, and 1 more jump and hold it, so that way we do not upset the butter beavers that live in the Bubbling Brook. Okay, so are you ready? I'm going to play it on my command board, and then you guys are going to play it exactly how I play it so that I know that you heard my command. Okay, 1, 2, here I go. Big step, jump and hold it. Big step, jump and hold it. Okay, did you guys hear that? Are you ready to play it? 1, 2, here you go. Big step, jump and hold it. Big step, jump and hold it. Whew, that was a mighty, mighty big lake. So it looks like you guys are in need of a rest. So let's go ahead and put 2, what do they call it? Whole rest for you, okay? So that's what these look like. So it's gonna look a little like this. Draw a line. Draw kind of like a bucket. Okay, there's 1 and 2. Okay, if you need to take some time to pause your video so that your whole rest look like mine, that's A-okay. Okay, so are you guys ready to take your rest? I'm going, oh, there we go. Now we can see it. I'm so sorry, dearies, about that. Okay, so that's going to sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest a while. Rest a while. Okay, can you guys try it? So you can either say it out loud or say it in your head, but do not make any sounds on this guy. Okay, because we are resting. 1, 2, here we go. Rest a while. Rest a while. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, we have reached the magical hen house. But wait, I hear some rustling in the hen house. Give me 1 second while I check my cam to see if there's any danger.
These eggs are mine.
Oh dear. It looks like it's one of the Cookie Mobster's evil minions come to stop us. But don't worry, I have a plan. I know for a fact that this Mr. Potato, he doesn't have very good eyesight. So if we just run around him and then freeze at the exact moment that we need to, he won't catch us. So I've devised a plan, and I put it on your map so that you can see it, okay? I'm going to hand you your map in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's going to involve running and rest, okay? So I'm going to play it on my piano so that you can hear the command, and then you're going to do it by yourself, okay? 1, 2, here I go. Running, running, rest, rest. Running, running, rest, rest. Okay, did you guys get that? Okay, good. Now it is your turn. I'll do it with you. 1, 2, here we go. Running, running, rest, rest. Running, running, rest, rest. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of chickens going everywhere, but I think that we might have beaten him. Oh, the chickens are celebrating. They're so happy that they're out of the danger from this Mr. Potato guy. Good job, dearies. Good job. You got all the ingredients that we needed for our cookie craft. Between our last notation story and this one, we have everything that we need. So, I think that we just need to practice one more time before we leave and depart today. Just again, in case there's another cadet that comes after you, and we just want to record everything so that they have a game plan of exactly what to do, like we did here today. Okay, so we're going to do our notation story all the way from the top to the bottom. You got it? Okay, let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, actually, I'm going to get my device ready. Okay, we're going to do it at the same time. Okay, 1, 2, here we go. Walk, walk, big step. Walk, walk, big step. Big step, big step. Jump and hold it. Big step, big step. Jump and hold it. Rest, rest, running, running, rest, rest, running, running, rest, rest. Okay, we have done it. So now I will see you guys for our next final adventure as we face the Cookie Mobster. Until then, I will see you later.